Hi everyone, my name is Brooke and I am a registered dietitian here at Persona Nutrition. Today we are going to be making white chocolate chip peppermint cookies because who doesn't love a sweet treat during the holiday season? We might be using a few different ingredients that you might typically not use in your cookies, but this will help it be lower in calories, lower in sugar, and lower in carbs. Up first we have almond flour. Almond flour is made from ground almonds. It'll also be lower in carbs and it will have a sweeter of a taste than your typical flour. We are also using coconut flour. Coconut flour is a great source of protein, fat, and fiber. Up next we have our candy canes and peppermint extract. This will give it the peppermint flavor that we are going for in the cookie. We will also be using coconut oil, baking soda, salt, and an egg. I will also be using coconut sugar, but you can feel free to use regular sugar. I personally like coconut sugar because it creates a lower glycemic index, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar to be as high. Last is white chocolate chips. I personally like the brand Lily's, but feel free to use your own favorite. I like Lily's because it is lower in sugar and also uses erythritol, which is a sugar sweetener for low sugar products. That is all the ingredients that you will need today to make these cookies, so let's get baking. First we are going to add the coconut oil, the coconut sugar, an egg, and the peppermint extract. Next we are going to mix until everything is well coated. Next add in the almond flour, the coconut flour, the salt, and the baking soda. And then we are going to mix again. At this point your dough will be a thick consistency and we are going to add in our chocolate chips, half of your crushed candy cane, and then refrigerate for 30 minutes after you mix. Now that the cookies have been refrigerated for 30 minutes, we need to scoop the cookies into about 14 cookies on some parchment paper. Now that the cookies are pre-portioned onto the parchment paper, I'm going to press on them a little bit to make them a little bit thinner. You are aiming for about 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch. Sprinkle the remaining crushed candy cane on the cookies before putting them into the oven. With the oven preheated at 350 degrees, bake your cookies for 10 to 12 minutes. The cookies have finished baking. It is now time to pour yourself a glass of milk and enjoy. Happy holidays!